What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy Richie Hustles. I'm holding this camera. It looks a little close or whatever, but I want to bring you some of the items that I use when I go outsourcing to make money. So stay tuned. Keep on watching. Okay, here are some of the items that I use when I'm either out or whatever I'm doing. This is like the main tools that I need, right? Let's start with the ring light. When we make YouTube videos, you need a ring light. That's a must. Good lighting. We have the iPhone 10, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Woo. That back, a little fingerprinty, but fingerprinty? Wow. And I'll explain why I have two. We have the GoPro Hero Black 8. Let's see if it'll focus there. The 8. And then we have a Western Digital Easy Store. This is a 5 terabyte external hard drive. And then we have the MacBook Pro. So the MacBook Pro is like the bread and butter of everything that I do, and this is just an extra, memory stick or memory card, whatever. But the MacBook got everything I need on it, okay? Let's go through some of the programs that I use. The first app I use, of course, is the Amazon Seller app, okay? And what you're gonna wanna do is this is where you scan all your products. This is like a history. This is just like, everything that I've scanned keeps a history, okay? That's one app I use. These are all the apps, by the way. So you got your Etsy, Mercari, eBay, Amazon Seller, Ebates, Dosh, FedEx, UPS, Scoutify 2, Sell Back Your Book, Poshmark, Scoutly, and Book Scouter. I mean, I'll go through a couple of these, but I don't need to go through them all. You probably all know. Scoutify 2 is the second app I use when I'm out scouting, trying to pick up deals. For instance, when we scan this on the Amazon Seller app, I then also take it and I scan it on Scoutify 2 because it tells me it's in the top 1%. Yeah, it tells you the offers, it tells you everything. And then through here we use Keepa.com. Get that graph. Amazon's on it a little bit on this particular listing, but that item sells. So that's that, traditional. I got my phone, you know what I mean? I got all my apps. I got a ton of apps on here, man. Social media, whatever, right? So that's that. Then I have the iPhone. The iPhone I generally like to use for social media purposes. I find it a little easier to hold this in the hand. It's just the iPhone 10. I find this easier to hold it in the hand, so that way, when I'm doing stuff, it's just easier. You know what I mean? It holds easier. It's easier to maneuver. I'm used to it. So this also has the Walmart app. Sometimes what I use is I use the iPhone for my second Amazon account, and I use this for my main account. So that way I can keep track of it all the time. Then we have the infamous vlog camera. I use this for everything. I love this friggin' camera. Let me wipe off the lens a little bit. I love this camera. It was probably the best investment that I've ever made. It shoots in 4K, 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. And I have this clip. So you guys might know that on some of my videos, or most of my videos, you see me with the carriage and you see the angle of me walking through the stores, and sometimes you see me in front of the camera sourcing. This clip is perfect because look, it's an angle. So some might say, well, how do you get it? How do you get it to stay straight if it's at an angle, right? Because if that's straight, that's the angle. You're like, people thinking it goes like this and then you can't shoot straight, right? But if you notice on a carriage, in the seat where you push, where like you would seat a little kid, that part of the middle is on a curve. So this clips right on there, and now my camera's straight. You understand? So that's what we use for vlogging. I love this. This is the camera, man. Great quality camera, amazing. I do have an external hard drive. This is where I save all my videos and editing and whatnot. This is what I use to store all those videos. I did have a 2 terabyte one, but I gave it to my wife for her YouTube so she could store her videos, because priorly she was not storing any videos. So, and then we get the MacBook Pro. Should we open up the MacBook Pro? Should we open it? All right, let's open it. So here you see, this is from inventorylab.com. It's one of the programs that I use on the computer, and also with a paid subscription, you can also have access to Scoutify 2 on your phone, which is super helpful when you're out sourcing for products. You definitely need that. And then over here, this is the Repricer that I use, BQOOL or BQOOL. We'll say BQOOL. Been using this Repricer from day one. Really love it. I've tried other Repricers, and quite frankly, I've stuck with BQOOL. Check out the affiliate link down below. Right here, you need Keepa.com. This is like the holy grail. If you're a reseller and you're not using Keepa.com, you're crazy. You need Keepa.com. This is where you're looking at sales graphs, velocity. You're looking at what items are selling at, if Amazon's on it, price history charts, all types of stuff. You need Keepa.com. BrickSeek's definitely something that you can look into to getting. They do have free memberships, basic memberships, and premium memberships. And I have a premium membership, one deal and pretty much make it up for the month. So GoDaddy bookkeeping, this is what I use for, you can link it to your Amazon account. This is what I use for like taxes, and this logs, my bank account. I attach my bank account, I attach Amazon, I attach anything that has to do with business, runs through GoDaddy.com for tax purposes. You guys already know the deal. Richie Hustles, the YouTube page. That's the hustle that we're on right now. You're watching this on YouTube right now. So, just another tool. And here's a look at some of the videos I've done. Comment below. What's your favorite video? Where do you like sourcing? And this is the newest hustle. This is Twitch. I do have a Twitch. I'm on there as Mr. Hustles. And this is where I'm going to be streaming a lot of the games that I like. I started streaming Kakarot, Dragon Ball Z Kakarot, but I'm really a role-playing guy. So, I tried streaming Apex and all those other games, but I'm a geek at heart. So, I like my role-playing games. You guys got to follow me on here. Follow me on Twitch. Search Mr. Hustles. So, guys, that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick view of what I use in most cases. Is that all the tools that I use? No. I have other things that I use, but you can't give away all your secrets, right? But basically, that's what I do in order to source, scan, compute, organize, all types of stuff. So, what you have to worry about is if you haven't started yet, then you just need to start. You want to start on YouTube? Buy a ring light. These things cost, you can get them for 25 bucks for a good set. I just ordered another one. Get yourself a used MacBook Pro or a PC. Like, shop for these bargains. Work hard, save your money, do what you got to do, get started. That's how we're doing it, all right? Hustling. Hope you like this little inside, and I'll catch you guys on the next hustle.